we'll go right in to use these different versions of Kedụ in a sentence. Without further ado, so I'll start with how, or let me start with what. Kedụ ihe a na-akpọ rice n'Igbo? Kedụ ihe a na-akpọ rice n'Igbo? That is, what do you call rice in Igbo? Or more like, what is rice called in Igbo? What is rice called in Igbo? Kedụ ihe a na-akpọ rice n'Igbo? So because of Kedụ ihe a na-akpọ, it becomes what. Kedụ becomes what, functions as what in this sentence. If I want to follow it up with where a situation where Kedụ functions as how, I would say Kedụ otu esi ekwu ya? Kedụ otu esi ekwu ya? So you asked me Kedụ ihe a na-akpọ rice n'Igbo, and I said osikapa, or I wrote osikapa. Then you replied Kedụ otu esi ekwu ya? Kedụ otu esi ekwu ya is how do you say it, or how is it said? How is it said? Kedụ otu esi ekwu ya? So first case scenario, what is rice called in Igbo? Kedụ ihe a na-akpọ rice n'Igbo. Then Kedụ otu esi ekwu ya? Kedụ, the first Kedụ meaning what, the second Kedụ meaning how. Let me use another scenario again, another example. Kedụ onye nọ ebe a? Kedụ onye nọ ebe a? Who is here? Kedụ, remember I said Kedụ plus onye is who. Kedụ onye nọ ebe a? Who is here? And I said who is here, and maybe this lady comes out, and I ask her, Kedụ ebe di gị nọ? Where is your husband? Kedụ ebe di gị nọ? Where is your husband? Where is your husband? So Kedụ in this case functions as where. Kedụ ebe is where. Di gị, your husband, no is. So Kedụ ebe di gị nọ? Where is your husband at? So Kedụ in this case functions as what? In the first one, it functions as who. Kedụ onye nọ ebe a. Then Kedụ ebe di gị nọ. Then there's another one again. I can follow up in that same thought, with that same line of thought. Kedụ mgbe ọ ga-alọta? Kedụ mgbe ọ ga-alọta? And I'm asking, when will he return? So Kedụ mgbe ọ ga-alọta? When will he return? Kedụ mgbe now functions as when. So we've seen where it functions as who, where it functions as where, and now it's functioning as when. And so far we've taken 4 W's and 1 H. Now the other one is Kedụ nke. Kedụ nke is which. So which one do you want? Kedụ nke ị chọrọ? Which one do you want? Kedụ nke ị chọrọ? Which one do you want? Kedụ nke ị chọrọ? So with these examples, you've seen that Kedụ nke, Kedụ, the one word Kedụ, functions in 8 scenarios. It can be which, it can be where, it can be when, it can be who, it can be what, it can be how, it can be hello, it can be how are you. So I hope you enjoy the richness of this word, and it helps you understand, how you can use this word more. You learn something, you learn vocabulary and the richness of just one word, Kedụ, and the various scenarios you can apply it to. Until we come your way next time, my name is Prince Obiefule, and this is Igbo Made Easy.